Hello, students. How are you all? Yeah, I hope you all are fine, doing great. Okay. So, yeah, from the last in the last class we have started a new topic. Yeah, what topic we had started? Yeah, we had started the comparing quantities and what all things we learned that day. Yeah, a quick revision of ratios and percentage conversions. Yeah, and few point about the percentage increase, percentage decrease. Yes. Okay, so yeah, in the first class itself, I said that you will be dealing with profit loss and all those things here. So yeah, so tell me if profit loss terms comes in front of you, what are the two important terms comes in front of you? Yes, the pricing system. Yes, the selling price, the cost price. Yeah. So today we are going to learn all those points. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just quickly share my screen with you. Let me know if you can see my screen clearly. Yes, great, great. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so today we are going to learn, we are going to focus on all these things. So you are going to understand what is a selling price and what is a cost price. Yeah, SP is nothing but a selling price. Yeah, and CP is nothing but your cost price. You're also going to learn about profit and loss, how to calculate profit, how to calculate loss, absolute as well as percentages. Yes, or absolute percent or loss, or a profit percent or loss. Yeah. So now, what is absolute and what is percentage? So, dear students, absolute means like suppose you are like I'll get an example that your cost price was 100 and your selling price was 200. So looking at this, you can say that you have earned a profit. So if you want to get the absolute profit, so how much profit you got? It was costing you 100 and you sold it at 200. Yes, of course. So it is 100. So this you can see it is absolute. But if it comes about the percentage, then you have to convert this into a percentage. Yeah. So we'll be seeing that, how to do that. And the last point is sales tax or VAT, value added tax. Value added tax is nothing but VAT. Now, what is that? We will be also learning that. Okay, perfect. Let's start with the first selling and cost. Okay. So, what is selling price and what is cost price? The terms itself tells you the selling price is nothing but the price at which the article is sold. There is a shopkeeper. So, what the price where the shopkeeper sells you something is the selling price, and cost price is nothing but that particular man, that particular shopkeeper, at what price he has purchased, like from some other person, a manufacturer, a distributor, maybe anything. Yeah. So that is nothing but the cost price. Yes. Okay. Perfect. So these two things are clear. Okay. Now profit loss and absolute as well as percentage. So I already told you, right? How to get the absolute one. So again, we'll take a quick example. That we can consider there is a shopkeeper and he has taken a product at cost price 100 and he sold that product at 200. So just by looking at this, you can see that the shopkeeper has earned a profit. Yes, he has earned a profit, but of how much? So it is selling price minus cost price. So which is nothing but 200 minus 100, which is nothing but 100. So he has got a profit of how much rupees? 100 rupees, and this is nothing but the absolute profit or loss. Okay, absolute profit. Okay, so now if you are supposed to get the percentage profit, if you are supposed to get the percentage profit, yes, so what you have to do? Profit. Yeah, so you have to compare, like, see, in the percentage decrease and increase, we were supposed to, we did that, right? So it is nothing but the formula is SP minus CP upon CP into 100. So the base one, the in the denominator, we used to consider the original one. So your original one is always the cost price. Yes. So if you want to get the percentage profit, so you will do this SP minus CP. So SP is 200 minus CP is 100 upon, again, cost price is 100 into 100. So what is this? 100 upon 100 into 100. So you can see that the shopkeeper has earned an 100% profit. Yes, because he doubled the amount. He got it at 100 and he sold it at 200. So he did a double profit. So this double profit is 100% profit he made. Yes. So you understood what if they ask you to get the absolute one, so you have to get in terms of rupees, whatever it is. Yeah. And this, if they specify you, so you have for percentage profit, you have to recall the things which we had done in the percentage increase and percentage decrease last class. Yeah. Okay. So can we do one quick example? Yeah. So what is the example? See, Raj purchased a bike for rupees 75,000. So he purchased. So what will be this? So this will be the cost price. He purchased it for 75,000 and he sold it for how much he sold? He sold it for 55,000. Okay. Is a condition of profit and loss. Also find the profit or loss percentage incurred by him. Yeah. So what they are saying that Raj, he has purchased a bike of 75,000. He sold it for 55,000. So by looking at this, you people tell me, is this a profit or is it a loss? Of course, it is a loss. Yes, of course, it is a loss. Yeah. So now they said that it's a loss. Now we have to get the percent loss. Okay. So for percent loss, what will be my formula, dear students? Oh, sorry, this is my SP. Yeah. So the formula will be interchange here, right? So CP minus SP upon CP, the base part only, yes? Into 100. So here, what is CP? Yes, 75,000 minus 55,000 upon, what is the cost price? 75,000 into 100. So what is 75 minus 55? Yes, so it is 20,000 upon 75,000 into 100. So simply all the zeros gets cancelled. So 2, 2 to 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5, and 5 fives are. So it is nothing but 4 by 15. So 15, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are. So it is nothing but 4 twos are 80 by 3. So if you divide it, you will be getting 26 by 67. Yeah, so it is in percentage. So 20, it is in decimal. So this is going to be your percentage. Yeah, so how much percentage loss he made? He made a loss of 26.67 percentage. Okay, so see, you have to create the formulas. Don't no need to put this formulas. लॉस के लिए सीपी था एसपी था, प्रॉफिट के लिए एसपी था सीपी था, कुछ पता ही नहीं मुझे या. So for that, what you have to do, you have to create. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पे देख के you can consider that original क्या था यहाँ पे 75,000 उसने खरीदा था ना उसमें. या तो हमेशा ध्यान में रखो जो भी ओरिजिनल पार्ट होता है ना, it should come in the denominator. Then ऊपर you have to adjust, like माइनस करना है, प्लस करना है, क्या करना है, बड़े से छोटा माइनस करना है, of course. या सो नो नीड ऑफ रटने की कोई भी नीड नहीं है यहाँ पे. फिर आप एग्जाम में ना यू विल बी जम्बल्ड, वो सीपी था एसपी था, प्रॉफिट के लिए क्या था, लॉस के लिए क्या था. या सो दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. सो इसीलिए डू नॉट, बिल्कुल भी formulas रटना नहीं आपको. You have to create them depending upon the situation what you have, whether it's a profit or it's a loss. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the next point which we will be discussing is sales tax and the value added tax. Okay, so what do you mean by sales tax and what do you mean by value added tax? So dear students, see, I hope you all are in grade 8 and you know how the taxation process is, how the chain goes. Like if a particular what you can say, a product is coming to you, how the chain goes, how the product comes to you from a shopkeeper. Yeah, you know it, right? There is a chain of a supply that we call it as a supply chain. So how is that? So basically, you know that there is a supplier. Yeah. So not supplier. We can say first of all, it's a manufacturer. Yeah. वो manufacture करता है. Then it can be the distributor, or it can be a supplier. Yeah, or it can be a supplier. Then comes the retailer. Yeah, there is also a wholesaler. You're in between now. There can also be a wholesaler. And then this final product is given to a customer. Okay, so this is the final of the chain. So the chain starts from here and it ends at here. Yes, dear students. So this is a chain. मतलब जैसे कि कोई चीज है वो एक फैक्ट्री में बनती है, वो मैन्युफैक्चर होती है. ओके, सो वो मैन्युफैक्चर होते ही तुरंत हमको नहीं मिलती है, ऑफ कोर्स नहीं मिलती है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, अ चेन फॉलोज. मैन्युफैक्चरर बनाता है, फिर उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर या सप्लायर उसके पास से खरीदता है, देन वो जाके होलसेलर या रिटेलर को देते हैं, देन फ्रॉम देयर वी टेक. या, so see, you might have seen the difference that when you go to a wholesaler shop, you get those products in some come rate. Yes, low rate may we get. And yeah, if you go to the retailer shop, you get it a bit थोड़ी बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता है. Yes, so this is the chain. Okay, so जब ये chain follow होती है ना dear students, so each and every part, each and every person over here has to give some tax. So which is nothing but a value added tax. So her each and every step here, you can say here, or you can say here, in each and every step, whatever tax gets added is nothing but the value added tax. Yeah, so you can see value added tax is collected by all sellers in each stage of the supply chain. Suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers. Yeah, मतलब सपोज मैन्युफैक्चरर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को दे रहा है, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को क्या करना चाहिए, ही हैज टू पे अ टैक्स, अ वैट टू मैन्युफैक्चरर. देन अगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर या सप्लायर के पास से होलसेलर ले रहा है, तो होलसेलर को वो प्राइस तो देना ही पड़ेगा, बट अलोंग विद दैट व्हाट ही हैज टू डू, ही आल्सो हैज टू गिव अस सम टैक्स. यस, so this was all about value added tax. Now what is sales tax? Yeah, so sales tax is nothing but the final. Yeah, you can see the word here, the final. Okay, so final मतलब final, अभी जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, final चीज कौन है यहाँ पे, कस्टमर है. so कस्टमर या फिर जो कंज्यूमर है, या द फाइनल वन, या जो भी कंज्यूमर है आपका, मतलब हम. okay, so we are supposed to give the sales tax over here. Yeah, understood what is the difference between sales tax and value added tax? Sales tax, who pays? Only the customer, the consumer, the end part, the final part over here. हाँ, किसको देते हैं हम? Of course, retailer को देंगे, because we are taking from retailer. Yes, but on the contrary, what is VAT? What is value added tax? It is nothing but the tax which is collected at each and every step of your supply chain. Understood the basic difference? ओके, परफेक्ट. अगर मैं इसके बारे में अगर बात करूं तो it is going to take a lot of things, but I hope only this much is expected for you, and only keep this much things in your brains. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's do quick example. See, we have questions again on, let's see, what are those? Mike bought a DVD for $750 and sold it for $875. Find Mike's gain percent. So you have to find the percent gain. So is this the same as percent increase and decrease? Yes, of course. So क्या formula था? You remember what was the formula? Yeah, it was new minus original upon क्या था? Original, yes, and it was into 100. Yes or no, dear students? Perfect. So therefore, what was the new one? New one क्या है? मतलब when he sold, what is that? It is 875. Yes, minus, oh sorry, yeah, minus 750 is the original one. And what is the original again? 750 into 100. Yes. So therefore, when you subtract 750 from 875, so you get this 5, you get this 2, and 125 upon 750 into 100. Yes. So 0, 0 kata. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay, so again 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So it is nothing but 25 2s are 50 by 3. So 50 by 3 को अगर आप convert करोगे तो you'll be getting a value which is 16 2 by 3 percentage. Yes, this is a decimal value. Okay. So see, this percent gain is nothing but सिर्फ यहाँ पे terminologies differ हो रही है. Selling price, cost price के इसमें आ रही है, but it is the what we can see, the concept is same as the percent profit and percent loss. Okay. Let's quickly do the second one. Okay. See, Ron purchased a table for 1260, and due to some scratches on its top, he has to sell it. So the cost price was, I say, 1260. The selling price was 1197. Find his loss percent. Yes, we can see कुछ scratches की वजह से उसको क्या करना पड़ा, उसको sell करना पड़ा. So you have to get the percent loss. So percent loss is nothing but here you can create a formula of your own. CP minus SP upon CP into 100. Yes, original आना चाहिए ना नीचे. So see, if you put the values 1260 minus 1197 upon 1260 into 100. So ये थोड़ा सा calculative होता है, and if you calculate you can see, yeah, you get the exact value which is nothing but a 5%. Okay, understood, dear students, how it goes? See, the concept is really the, what you can see, the base that is the same. The terminologies may differ. Yeah, वहाँ पे हम क्या पढ़ते थे, percent loss क्या है, percent increase क्या है और decrease क्या है. But here it's gain and loss, and the what you can see, the fact is really same, the approach is same, only the terms are different here. Okay. Okay, I hope you have understood all the things what we have learned today. So in the previous class, we learned about ratio and percentage, and today also we learned the same thing, but उसको कहाँ पे consider किया हम लोग ने, selling price and cost price के terms में consider किया. Okay, so see you in the next class with a new term. Okay, by then, bye, take care, have a good day, bye.